Hey guys, it's Eric. So today we got the Mugen taillights for the Civic Hatch and the Type R, including the Civic Sport. So the box is pretty plain, Mugen, and then nothing around the box really. So on the outside it says where it's made. So these are made in Taiwan. They're not made in Japan like all their other stuff. So I know to a lot of people that's a bummer, but because of that, the price is a little cheaper. Alright, so we'll get right into it because there's not much to see on the outside. This box is really big. You don't really notice how big taillights are until they're off the car. Same with headlights. Okay. There it goes. So pretty big box. Whoa. So right when you open it, you already see the taillights, pretty much. All that's on top is the piece of paper, instruction guide, which is funny because it's in Japanese, but the product's not made in Japan, which is kind of funny. No English, all Japan, all Japanese. Right when you open it, you already see everything. So to the side, you have the side marker, the part that goes on the trunk. So the thing that sucks about this is this light actually does not light. There is no light. It just sits there and it doesn't light up, which is a bummer because you would think it would. For having something that costs this much. So there's some padding. So it's packaged very well. Put these to the side. And then I guess some more, if I can take this out. Isn't that good? Alright, so here's one side. Very nice. Alright, so there you have it. It's not any more padded in any way. Let me take this out. Damn. Nice. So even though it's not made in Japan, it's pretty nice. You know, I'm not being biased because it's Taiwanese. So right here, it says right here too, made in Taiwan. So for you guys in the know, this part right here is sequential. And there is a toggle, so you toggle right here actually. So you can actually choose whether or not you want it to be sequential. So it goes this way outwards, sequentially, like you know, the Mustangs. I have actually seen these taillights installed and they look pretty sick. So for the other Civic models, like the Hatch, I'm not sure if the sequential will work or not because the Type R's and stuff have LED lighting already, so you might need a, what's that thing called? It might blink fast because it doesn't have the LED and the currents are off. So this is the right side. And yeah, it's pretty nice. I've seen this installed on the car before. It looks very aggressive. It looks really nice. I think the main thing why I like this tail light a lot more is because there are a lot of Civics on the road and they're pretty much all the same. Especially if you have a Type R, you want it to look a little bit different. This adds that little edge of aggressiveness. Makes you stand out from the other Civics. You know. Alright, we'll take out the other one. So the other one is layered the same way. It's layered the same way. They were just stacked on top. They have like this little grid. Same thing, side markers. Just set this out. Oh, I didn't show you guys the side markers yet. So here's the side marker. As you see, it's clear, JDM style, lovely clear. Looks like this. So that kind of sucks because this is pretty much unfunctional. Right here, turn signal. Pretty light parts. No weight to them really. Alright, so here's the other side. This is kind of funny how this one's wrapped in yellow, which is very strange. Why not just have clear for both sides? But
Indicate left and right.
yeah, it might be to indicate the left and right. So here's the other side. Left side, we're looking at the car. I forgot to mention right here, it has the Mugen logo. So that's the only thing that makes it stand out. Makes people know it's a Mugen. We already found out that there are already copies of this taillight, which is kind of sad, but people have copied it. That one is like, it's half the price, but who knows if it'll last. It has these fancy, people like those light shows now. So it goes, even the brake lights, you can do sequential for like show mode. That's like a thing car shows like to have now. There's other here. Oh, so this one shows it's for the left side. The right side doesn't indicate that, the left side does. Just in case you get it mixed up. But I mean, when you're installing it, you know, it's 50-50 chance. If it doesn't fit, use the other one. And I have a clip of it installed on the car to show you guys what the sequential looks like. So the other goodies, it comes with zip ties, and honestly, I'm not really sure what this is, but I think it's to kind of mount the wires so it's not just dangling. So I have some friends that installed this taillight. It's pretty easy to install. Pretty straightforward. You remove the trim, take out the bolts, replace the taillights, plug it in before you put it back together, test to see if it works. The only thing I don't like about these lenses, it seems like you can see the glue through the lenses. But I mean, if you're far away, you can't really tell, but I don't know. I just feel like this part could be more clean. It looks like there's glue, pretty much. But on the car, it looks really nice. So FK7, FK8, so it's the Civic Hatch and the Civic Type R. Yeah, so pretty straightforward to install. You do need to remove the back of the trim, which is not too bad. That's all I have for you guys today. So, you know, I'll let you guys see the unboxing, the quality. If you guys can help me out, please subscribe to my videos, and I have a lot of more parts to unbox and review. Unfortunately, I do not have this car, so I cannot install it. But I do have a clip of it installed to show you guys. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.